Hey everybody, it is Garrett Pierson here, day 3. Holy cow, day 3. I'm in my office. Gonna give you a little bit of office tour before I tell you what software funnels is. And you probably noticed the last couple days I'm congested, I've been sick. I'm sorry, but when I set out to do something, I do it. And I'm gonna be doing these videos every day, giving you tips and strategies on building a software empire and all the things that we've learned about building over 20 different software products over the last 8 years. So, sorry that I sound like crap, I look like garbage, but who cares, right? I'm doing it, and here we go. So here's a little office tour, and then I'm going to talk to you about software funnels and what it is. So let me turn this around. So here is my office. You can see I'm a Mac guy. Mac. I got 2 screens here, some pictures of the family, and my 2 fish, Hitchcock and Scully, 2 beta fish. They like to fight each other, that's why that thing's between them. Some pictures. Like I told you before, I'm a big Cubs fan, go Cubbies. Some other stuff here. And then it goes over into Scott's office. We put this, he's got his own door and everything, but we put this wall, we had them open up this wall here so that we could talk to each other. We talk to each other all day, and I didn't want to have to go around to his office every time we wanted to talk. So that's the office. This is where I work every day. Obviously we got all the office out here in the conference room is usually, so I'm not going to go all in there. I just wanted to show you my office, but we got everybody else, the team out working out in the other parts of the office. So just a little bit to show you about where I work. So what is software funnels? So let me tell you kind of the difference between software secrets and software funnels. Software secrets is the book and the training program that's coming out in spring 2017. And what you need to know is Software Secrets is where all the content's going to be, all the learning and training and how to build software. Software Funnels is what we just started building last week. We're starting from scratch, building a software company called Software Funnels. And Software Funnels is all about, that's what I'm going to get into here in a second. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to turn the screen around and show you the very first mock-up page that I did on a plane coming back from Chicago on my iPad, and I'm going to show you that here in a second, of the very first mock-up of what Software Funnels is. So Software Secrets is the training and the whole program about how to build software. Software Funnels is the tool. So if you want to build software, you need Software Secrets to learn how to build software and do it the right way and not make all the mistakes we've made. We go through all the mistakes we've made. Software Funnels is the tool that you need to build software. So they go hand in hand. We started last week building Software Funnels. Literally, it doesn't exist. It's being built. We went through the process. And if you go to blog.softwaresecrets.com, that's where you're going to see Lindsay's journey. Lindsay joined the team a couple weeks ago, and she started blogging every single day what she's learning. We're teaching her, and she's going through the process of building the software. We're taking her through all the steps of building a software company. So we're going through that right now. You can follow that on blog.softwaresecrets.com. And I'm also going to be talking a lot about that in these live weekday videos as well. So let me turn this around again, and I'm going to show you Software Funnels. The very first mock-up page. I hope that you guys can see this. So I mocked that up on a plane coming home from Chicago on my iPad. Okay? So obviously this is just a mock-up. That's not anything close to what it's going to look like. But if you're building a software company and you watched day 2 yesterday, then you need an idea, you need the desire, and you need execution. Well, we came up with the idea with Russell Brunson. I'm going to turn this back around. I'll come back to exactly what Software Funnels is. We've partnered up with Russell Brunson on this project, and we met with him at his house, and we actually printed out the rough draft or manuscript of Software Secrets, the book, okay? And we took it to him, and he's like, it looks great, and we're gonna have a whole training program that teaches people how to build software, but you know, it's just not enough. If we're gonna teach people how to build software, we need a software product that they can use to help them build software. And to be honest, when Russell first said that, I was just like, how are we going to do this? It just seems like a lot of work. You know, let's just give them the training and they can go do, you know, let them figure it out. But Russell he's amazing, and he's a visionary. And so Scott and I, when we met with him, Scott Brandley, my business partner, when we met with him, we didn't know what kind of software we were going to build. Well, that's where Software Funnels was born, the idea of Software Funnels. So let me tell you what Software Funnels is and how it's going to help you build software. And again, this is coming in 2017 when we launched the book and the training program. So you can see there's a mock-up and design area, communications, project management, reports, analytics, resources, how to get designers and programmers. I had bookmarks on there. Again, this was just a very first mock-up, and bookmarks isn't even a part of it. But that's still the majority of what is Software Funnels, okay? I'll tell you how we came up with this. We thought, okay, if we are going to build a software service that helps people build software, well, then we want to be able to use this too. So Software Funnels is actually, the idea came from something that we want to use ourselves. So any idea that you have, generally if it's software as a service, it needs to be a solution to a problem. And the problem that we have building software is that we have so many tools we use. We have tools to whiteboard our mock-up designs, just like I showed you. That was essentially a whiteboarding software that I used. We have software then to wireframe out pages once we get further down the process. Then we have software to do project management. Then we have software to communicate with our team, whether it's the programmers, the designers. So project management, for example, like a Trello or an Asana or anything you use to manage projects. Then we had to have a communication like a Slack or a Skype or a WhatsApp or whatever you use to communicate with your team. Then we had to log into a separate thing like ChartMogul or Baremetrics to see all of our analytics for whatever our monthly recurring revenue is, or our churn rate, the gross revenue that the company's bringing in. Then we had to log into a whole nother area to see the reporting from our programmers and what they got done that day. Then we had to go and find programmers and find designers. Like, these are all, so there's 7 areas of Software Funnels. And the first one is whiteboarding, second one is wireframing, the third one is like Trello or a project management, the third one is communication like Slack or Trello. Then we've got analytics, and we got how to find programmers and designers, and we got daily reports from our programmers or designers. And we're bringing all of those things into one area. And this is huge, guys. This is so huge, and I can't even tell you how excited I am to use Software Funnels for our own use. Like, if we didn't even sell one copy of Software Funnels, not a copy, but one customer of Software Funnels, I really wouldn't care, because this is a tool that we will use. So for example, we had to go sign up for a whole whiteboard service. We had to go sign up for a whole wireframe service, and 2 of those we had to pay money for those. Then we had to sign up for Trello. Luckily that's free, but we had to upgrade because we wanted to send bigger files, so we are paying for Trello. Okay, then we had to go sign up for Slack or Skype, which we've used both in the past. Okay, then we had to sign up for ChartMogul that we pay for every month, which shows us our analytics. Then we had to use like Upwork or whatever to go find programmers and designers. it goes on and on. We had to have separate logins, separate admin rights, separate user accounts for each of these different tools. Well, guess what Software Funnels is? It's an all-in-one inclusive area that helps you develop software in one place. You're going to be able to whiteboard, you're going to be able to wireframe out all your pages. You're going to be able to do all your project management, like using a project management tool like Trello in this one area. You're going to be able to go into the communication area and talk to all your programmers. Then you're going to be able to get reports from them in an area. All in one place, and all your analytics, your MRR, your monthly recurring revenue, your churn rate, your gross revenue, so you can see how your company's doing. All of this in one area. This is insane, guys. It's never been done. Nothing like this exists that has all of these things. And then the cool part of Software Funnels as well is there's a services area where you can get access to the development team that we use. You can also get access to a design team that we use. You're not going to get the exact developers and designers that we use, but you're going to get access to the pool of developers and developers and designers that we use, and get them at a low rate. So it's just going to be so much fun. So that is Software Funnels, and all you need to realize is this isn't coming out till spring of 2017. That's our goal to finish this by, and we've got a huge task ahead of us. We're in the process. We might have lost you there. We're in the process of wireframing and whiteboarding and wireframing everything out right now. Again, you can go to blog.softwaresecrets.com to follow the whole process of us building out Software Funnels. Go to softwarefunnels.com right now if you want to get in the early bird VIP access, so that when we do launch, that you can see and get discounts on it. So that is Software Funnels. I can't even, it's just insane how excited we are to build this. Lindsay's doing an awesome job, and Scott and I are working really hard with her to teach her how to build software, and that's going to be part of the training. You're going to be actually seeing in the Software Secrets training and in the book all these step-by-step processes to get your software empire up and going. And again, you can also get the first two chapters, the introduction and chapter 1 of the Software Secrets book, for free. Just go to softwaresecrets.com and put your name and email address in, and then you will get access to the first 2 chapters. The reason why we're going to take your email address is because we want to tell you in the spring of 2017, about 5 to 6 months, when we launch Software Secrets 2, and so you can get the full book and get the training program as well. So that's it for today. Monday, I'm going to do a very interesting video, and this video is going to be very controversial. I'm going to be talking about something very controversial, and so make sure to stay watching these videos. Make sure you like the Facebook page at Software Secrets Book. That's going to let you get to know whenever I'm doing these live videos. You can also get access to these live videos at the blog. We post them every day on the blog as well. So thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. These are raw. These aren't perfect. I'm not an actor. I'm just sitting in front of a camera and talking. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.